your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are an excellent leader. Rightly said by John Quincy Adams. Leaders are the role models who inspire the followers and motivate them to reach the target of success. A solemn occasion where all the young students are prepared to don the mantle of leadership and take over the responsibilities entrusted upon them by the school is what an investiture ceremony all about. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, parents, teachers, and all our dear students. I would like to welcome you all to the special occasion of the investiture ceremony of Lakshadam High School. Though the pandemic has brought our life to a standstill, it can never bring our spirit down. With virtual platforms being a great help, it has all the more glued us as one big family. So what if this year too we are unable to gather together at one place physically? Our hearts still beat in one rhythm for our school. And with this year's investiture ceremony, let us mark the beginning of all the activities of this pandemic year, assuring our prayers and blessings on the newly elected members of the Student Council. I would like our principal ma'am, Miss Meeta Bhatt, to share a few words of encouragement to our newly elected council members.
A very warm welcome to all for this virtual investiture ceremony of our newly elected student council members. Leaders are, by definition, change makers. When you are called upon to lead, you are called to advance, move forward, and improve the situation. The statement is so apt for our very special student council members. The process of conducting this election has changed. Their roles and duties in this changed school scenario are now different, but they have to step in, take on the responsibility, and improve the situation. But knowing our Lakshlights, I am sure they will rise up to the occasion. Dear student council members, first of all, let me congratulate all of you for having been elected and wishing you all the best for a successful year ahead. A very big thanks to all the teachers who were involved in the student council election. The class teachers, the PE teachers, supervisors, coordinator, and of course to also the parents who assisted in motivating their wards as well as in conducting part of the ceremony within the confines of their home. Thank you very much. Once again, wishing all the best to the newly elected student council members. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of encouragement. It is definitely going to help the student council to fulfill their duties effectively. And yes, surely we will overcome this pandemic too one day. With this belief, let me take this opportunity to introduce Master Tanmay Diodhar, who will lift up our spirits with the song We Shall Overcome. And now, the most awaited moment has come. Let us have a glance on those who are ready to take over the baton. Requesting Ms. Neha Kumari, our supervisor, to take this event ahead by reading out the list of students and their designated roles. A humble request to the parents to make their children wear the sash as their names are called out. A blessing in disguise in this time of pandemic.
Marshal Sia Savant, Head Boy Himadya Joshi, Head Girl Manya Master, Co-curricular Captain Shreya Sapre, Sports Captain Janvi Chauhan, Assistant Head Boy Vedant Pawar, Assistant Head Girl Ananya Karande, Red House Captain Ayush Irada, Yellow House Captain Anika Srivastava, Greenhouse Captain Trisha Sharma, Blue House Captain Arna Rakesh Tripathi,
Keep every promise you make and only make promises you can keep. Yes, let us move to the oath-taking ceremony. Our sincere wishes to all the representatives that they be able to keep every promise they are making today.
I, Sia Savant, holding the post of Marshal.
I, Himadya Joshi, holding the post of Head Boy.
I, Manya Master, holding the post of Head Girl.
I, Janvi Chauhan, holding the post of Sports Captain.
Shreya Sab, holding the post of Co-curricular Captain.
I, Bidhan Sandeep Pawar, holding the post of Assistant Head Girl.
I, Ananya Karande, holding the post of Assistant Head Girl.
I, Ayush Irada, holding the post of Red House Captain.
Trisha Sharma, holding the post of Greenhouse Captain.
I, Anika Srivastava, holding the post of Yellow House Captain.
I, Arna Rakesh Tripathi, holding the post of Blue House Captain.
I, Sia Daneshrian, holding the post of Red House Vice Captain.
I, Atharva Singh Kamre, holding the post of Greenhouse Vice Captain.
I, Asmita Unhali, holding the post of Yellow House Vice Captain.
Aditya Jha, holding the post of Blue House Vice Captain.
Solemnly resolved to
Abide by the rules
Of this school.
I will endeavour
Be a perfect
Role model of discipline.
I vow that
I will do my best to carry out
All the duties
entrusted to me.
I will put in sincere efforts
To bring glory to my school.
Talent is nothing without dedication and discipline, and dedication and discipline is a talent in itself. I request Ms. Jaswinda Kaur, the sports coordinator, to speak a few words of encouragement for our newly elected student council.
Hello students, I congratulate all the members of the student council. I would like to thank our principal ma'am, Mrs. Meeta Bhatt, who always inspires us. Parents for facilitating the children with SASH. Our PE teachers for making this happen despite pandemic. Last but not the least, I would like to thank Madan sir and Sneha miss for helping us and making this ceremony successful. As Student Council, you all are the brand ambassador of Lakshatam High School. I hope you all will create a positive environment, motivate your fellow mates to be punctual, attentive and diligent in the classroom sessions virtually. I'm sure that you all will deliver your duties and responsibilities with utmost sincerity. All the best. Thank you.
Courage does not always roar. Sometimes it's the quiet voice at the end of the day whispering, I will try again tomorrow. Wishing the newly elected Student Council all the very best in all their endeavors. Never give up, keep trying your best, and the reward will be yours one day. A heartfelt thanks to all who helped in conducting the program smoothly. Special thanks to our beloved parents, without whom this day would have been incomplete. Once again, our best wishes and prayers. God bless us all.